Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. I want to pass feedback to the large language model updating the vector database, I presume, so that the particular response that is given is now pushed into, for example, pushed into, let's see, chat settings. Vector database, agent configuration. That's interesting. Because actually, it's not showing my uploaded files, and that concerns me because there should be a list of uploaded files. Custom, yeah, right there, okay. So when oh, look at this. Okay, so the uploaded file is there. So when let's move my documents again. So I like this answer, and I want to add this to my document so that it's when I rerun it, the output that I liked is now included so that I can see it and I can go and edit it to make sure that the phrasing is right, because this is okay, but it's not my voice. It's close, but it's not the same. So I want to be able to edit this, and by saying good response, that doesn't necessarily mean that it's being added into my document. So that's what I want to see. Thank you, and happy computing.